iPhone 12 wide-angle camera repair. Cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12 with pop-up issues after. The camera was replaced. Turn off the power and remove the camera. Take out the L3 repair instrument. Plug in the camera. Radar repair expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out the wide-angle image head repair lineup. Take the wide-angle camera repair cable to solder. Remove the iron cover. Remove the cable and clean it up. Solder the cable. Apply glue and cover the gun. Buckle the camera with the solder. Cable onto the expansion board. Click Ref. Detection display normal. Connect your phone to the Lubin program. Detection display bind. Detection display write success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the camera back on the phone. The pop-up window problem after replacing. The rear camera has been solved.